Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Dontimtv. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be telling you 5 unique side hustle that you need to build and achieve a great success before this 2020 runs out. Trust me, these are the things that I've been doing over time. I've practiced all of them in my list. I've been doing them for some couple of months, and some of them I've been doing them for some couple of years now. And trust me, it works really well right here in Nigeria. So all I need you to do is to please stay cool, keep calm, grab your coffee, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and please stick around. Let's do this video. But the very first one I have on my list right now is this: freelancing. Yes, you can stay in Nigeria and be a freelancer. I know that this might sound so hard to some people that have been into this business before, but trust me, with what I'm going to be telling you right now, you're going to achieve a good success in freelancing. I know one of the basic problems that freelancers in Nigeria face is having a nationality as Nigeria. Yes, I mean, having a Nigerian nationality seems to be a crime right now with what is going on around. A lot of white people knows Nigerians as scammers, which I don't see as a very good thing. But hey, come on, everybody in Nigeria cannot be a scammer. In case you're white watching this video, please, all of us are not scammers. But hey, as a freelancer coming from Nigeria, having Nigeria as your country is a very big crime for you. You're not gonna achieve anything unless you work out your ass. But it's what I'm about to tell you right now. You can put your nationality as Nigeria, no VPN, nothing at all, and still get your gigs being sold out. Alright, there are 3 basic freelancing websites that I've been using over time, and trust me, the 3 of them are very good. But I'm going to be recommending 2 for people in Nigeria. Alright, the 3 of them is this: Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, and Freelancer.com. I actually recommend Fiverr.com and Upwork. Now, when you create a profile, this is what you have to do now. What I did is what I'm going to tell you. I'm not going to tell you what you should do. I'm telling you what I did. When I created my own profile, what I did was this: I created another profile for buying. And I went to my second profile and placed an order on what I offer. I'm not going to tell you guys what I offer. Then when I placed an order on what I offer, then the money came to me, and also I gave myself 5-star review. Yes, I gave myself 5-star review. Then the money that came out from me, I added another money and placed another order, making it 2 reviews and 2 5 stars at the same time. Then I communicated with some of my friends. I sent them my link. They placed order from their side and they gave me 5-star reviews. Then I refunded them, making it 3 to 4. I think I got 5 reviews almost in 1 week. When I got the 5 reviews, my profile came up a little bit. After my profile came up a little bit, I started getting orders from different people. That was how my success story began on Fiverr. If you do the same thing, trust me, you're gonna get maximum results. Open your profile with a Nigerian country, open another profile, then order your service, get your money back, give yourself a 5-star review. That's a win-win for you. Create another one, use the same money, put in there, order your service, give yourself a 5-star, still win-win for you. Then you can communicate with some of your friends. When they order for your service, refund them their money and they'll give you 5-star. There you go. You're making a big way to earning some money on a daily basis. And trust me, Fiverr is very cool. Minimum you can see there is $4, $3, $5, depending on what you do. So that's why you need to grab a skill real quick. Like, if you don't know how to do anything online, you need to learn something. Learn a skill right now. It's gonna help you real big. Like, it's gonna help you. You can either be doing graphics designing, website designing, video editing, a lot of things. And trust me, if you don't know anything about freelancing, I'm going to drop in a link in the description below. If you don't know anything about them, you can get started from there. Second one I have on my list is YouTube. I know when I say YouTube, some people might sound like this YouTube stuff is very hard, but trust me, YouTube is not as hard as you thought. It depends on your mindset about YouTube. If you're youth in Nigeria not doing YouTube, you're doing bad to yourself. So I don't see the reason why you shouldn't be doing YouTube when YouTube is about almost free money. Trust me, it's about free money. But it depends on how you're able to arrange yourself, how you're able to put up content, and grind your ass to develop your channel before you start getting the free money. Started YouTube August 2019. I actually created my channel way back in 2015, but I wasn't doing anything on it. But hey, trust me, if you continue on this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can be making money on YouTube. There are 2 requirements to get approved on YouTube. Before you start monetizing your video, there are 2 requirements that you need to achieve. One of them is hitting 1,000 subscribers, and secondly, 4,000 watch hours. But hey, trust me, it might sound crazy. 1,000, 4,000, it sounds big. I know it sounds big, but trust me, if you know what you're doing, if you are very consistent, YouTube values consistency. If you're very consistent in what you're doing, these 2 thresholds will not be anything for you. You're gonna hit it as real big as possible. I got my 1,000 subscribers in less than a year. I was not able to get my 4,000 watch hour on time because I was not doing lengthy videos. I was doing short videos. But with what I'm telling you right now, you can grab those 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers real quick. All right, look at how I was able to achieve mine too. When I opened a YouTube channel, I made sure that all my close friends, because I keep a lot of friends, I made sure that all my close friends subscribe to my channel. Yes, even if you don't want to subscribe, I'll take your phone and subscribe. I was chatting a lot of people on WhatsApp, hey, subscribe to my channel, do this to my channel, blah blah blah, give my videos a thumbs up, like my video, do this one, drop a comment. So before you know what was going on, I already got 500 from them, 1,000. Yes, I mean, more than half of my subscribers came from people I told personally. Yes, I did it personally, but hey, come on, forcing people to subscribe to your channel is not a good idea, because they'll end up not watching your video. It affected me real quick, and it's still affecting me right now, but hey, it's time I believe I'm gonna go over it. So but what I'm telling you guys right now is this: if you can be able to drop quality content, good content, consistent enough, trust me, YouTube is gonna be promoting your content, and before you know what's happening, you start getting a lot of views and a lot of subscribers. Yes, that is how it works. If any of your video goes viral, very viral, trust me, when I hit the 4,000 watch hour, possibly getting 1,000 subscribers, and once that happens, you start getting money. And this money comes on a daily basis. Even your older videos, you can monetize them and still be getting passive income from them. That is how juicy YouTube is. That's why I said if you're not doing YouTube, you're doing yourself. I know some questions might be going on some people's mind. What if I can't make videos? What if I can't talk in front of the camera? What if I can't? What if all those what if now? Let me answer those what if now. If you can't stand before the camera and talk or make something good, I couldn't do that earlier last year. But I worked on myself, I developed myself, I read books, how to work on how I talk. Sometimes I'll put mirror, I'll talk before the mirror, just to examine myself. And as time went on, I developed myself, and by God's grace, I'm still developing myself right now. Alright, if you can do that, trust me, you're gonna start doing something in front of camera. If you're not able to do that, there are still other ways you can still be putting up content. You can start doing compilation videos. Let's say the top 10 richest man in Nigeria, top 10 richest man in the world. You can download some clips, some footage about them, how they started. You can do it. You can go into research and make some quality researches about them. Then you can compile them in a video. Once you're done doing that, create a very good thumbnail. Thumbnail helps to promote your videos very well. Create a very good thumbnail and also write a very quality content on your description. Tag your videos very well. Once you're done doing that, trust me, put up your content. You can do voiceover and the video and the footage, and there you go. Post a video consistent on what you're doing. Trust me, as time goes on, you're gonna hit it so hard on YouTube, and trust me, the money comes in. It comes in dollars. Yeah, it comes in dollars, and trust me, it depends on you. If you believe you can do that, if you believe you can do that, that is it about YouTube. That is about YouTube. That was how I started, and as time goes on, by God's grace, we're gonna grow this channel to do. All I need you all to do is this: drop the like button on this video and please subscribe to this channel. There are still other things that you can do from Nigeria and increase your views and your subscribers, and also boost your watch time and a lot of things on your YouTube channel. But if you want me to do a video about how to develop your YouTube, trust me, drop a like and drop a comment telling me to do a video on how to improve on YouTube. I want to be dropping a link in the description to start a YouTube. Yep, I will do that. Another one I have on my list is dropshipping. Yeah, I know dropshipping requires some money. Yep, it requires some money. But hey, what I'm about to tell you right now, you will do it with almost nothing. Yes, I went into dropshipping without knowing anything about dropshipping. I went into dropshipping with little or no experience, and I ended up losing the money I had then. But hey, I've learned my lesson, and that's why I'm here doing the video. I've been doing it over time. After I've learned my lesson, I've been doing it over time, and it's really working out for me. I'm gonna be telling you guys how I did my own dropshipping. There's a website called AliExpress. Yes, AliExpress is a Chinese website where you can buy something very cheap, and then we sell in your own country or sell in wherever you want to sell. Now, dropshipping goes like this. Let's say you see this product and you like this product, and it's going for $5 in AliExpress, and in your country this product goes for $20. What you want to do is this. There's another website called Shopify. Shopify is where you can create a website, your own personal site. Now you can go ahead and bring this product to your site and start marketing it. Now if you're marketing it, you're not going to market it for $5, you're going to market it for $20. Yes, or even below what they're selling it in your country, so that people will go for it very quick. So this is what you're going to do. You can start promoting this via Instagram ads and Facebook ads, and people might want to go for your service. And once you end up making it sell, the company takes $5, you take $15, and the person goes home with this. Everybody goes home happy. So that is just as simple as that. All you need to do is this: find a product. Secondly, find a website which is on Shopify. Choose a very good name on Shopify. Then after that, you go ahead and purchase your domain. About when I did mine, it was around $14 or thereabout. Go ahead and market your product, and once you're done doing that, others will start coming and you start making yourself. As simple as that. Trust me, if you put in your strength and your sweat, you're gonna make something out from this. So that's just it about dropshipping, as easy as that. The next one I'm gonna be talking about right now is this: social marketing. Social media marketing is great. I've done this over time. I've been doing it. I'm still managing some accounts for some companies. Social media marketing goes like this: if there is any company you know about that is into goods and services or products and services or whatever, but they are not present on social media, you can walk up to them with your own business plan. What they are going to gain if they start losing for not doing social media ads and stuff like that. You can tell them how they can improve and stuff like that. If they agree with your plan, you're going to tell them how much they're going to be paying you, and boom, you can sign a contract from there. You can start managing their social media page, and there you go. There is no big deal there. Once any update is available in the company, you can go ahead and post it on your social media. If there's any goods available, you can market it on social media and get your pay from the company. As easy as that. So trust me, I did this and it worked for me. If I dropped it after I started discovering other stuff that I'm doing. So if you trust me and believe me, if you do this, it's gonna work for you, and the money is very, very easy. Just like side hustle. Trust me, this is not like the main thing, it's a side hustle. You can be collecting them and also collecting from another thing you're doing. So trust me, if you do this, it's gonna work for you. It's worked for me and it's gonna work for you. So with that being said, I'm gonna bring this video to an end. All I need you all to do is drop the like button on this video, give my videos a thumbs up, please subscribe and drop a comment below. I want to give a shout out to my boss, Black Hustlers Club. I mean, I got my own inspiration when I was about to start my own hustling. I got some of my inspiration from Black Hustlers Club. Yo, I came up to you like the real G, alright? That being said, I'm gonna bring this video to an end. See you guys in my next video. Peace.